This video is for you if you've heard a lot of talk about tubing mascaras and if you've ever said, what does that even mean? Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, I'm 56, and this is a series of videos where I answer the question, what is that and why do I need that? Today we're talking about tubing mascara. If you're like me, we grew up in the 70s and the 80s and the 90s, and we just went down to the drugstore and we bought mascara. Then tubing mascara came onto the scene a few years ago, and everyone is coming out with a tubing mascara. Tubing mascara is different in that what it does is it actually creates a tube on every single one of your lashes. In a nutshell, what that means is it does provide a thicker application. It takes a little longer to dry. I love a tubing mascara. If you're one of those gals that you don't like to apply just one coat of mascara, you were always one of those gals that you're like, okay, one coat, I need a little bit more. Two coats, I might be getting close. I think you'll love a tubing mascara. If on the other hand, you say, you know what, I like it just a little bit more natural. I like it to look like my lashes, but better. Tubing mascara may not be for you. However, today I'm going to apply a traditional mascara on this side and a tubing mascara on this side so that you can see the difference, what two coats looks like of traditional versus a tubing mascara. When I think you'll really enjoy a tubing mascara is if you like to buy waterproof mascara for the all-day benefit, that benefit of really locking your lashes in place where waterproof mascara doesn't fade, it doesn't fall underneath your eyes, it doesn't leave a residue, it really looks good all day long. That's when I think you'll like a tubing mascara. Waterproof mascaras also, though, tend to be very harsh and very drying. So not something that we want to use every single day, day after day after day. Tubing mascara doesn't fade throughout the day. It doesn't leave a residue underneath your eyes. It will look beautiful all day long, like a waterproof mascara, but tubing mascara, if you are just normally used to just washing your face, I take my regular face cleanser and I just rub my eyes to get my mascara off. Tubing mascara comes off just like this. Now, just so you know, I have had people say, oh, it's awful to remove. Tubing mascara is not awful to remove, it's just ugly to remove. Because like I said, tubing mascara forms a tube over every single individual lash. So every single one of those tubes has to come off. So it just leaves a mess in your sink, which rinses out really, really well. So when you wash your face at the end of the day, you're gonna take your cleanser and you're just gonna rub your eyes, and then you're just gonna have to rinse a couple times more than you normally would just to remove those clumps or those tubes. But I'm telling you, once it is rinsed off, you do not end up with that black residue underneath your eyes. Once you get those clumps off, just takes an extra minute or two, just a little bit more, rinsing. Once that's gone, it's gone. You're done. You're not rubbing and rubbing and rubbing to get all of that residue off. I love that about tubing mascara. So let's get some on. I have one coat of each right now. Before they both dry, let me go ahead and put on 2 coats of each, and then we'll talk about the difference. On this side, I'm using the Babe Lash For Real mascara. if tubing mascara is not your thing, I love this one. It has a little ball on the end that really helps to separate each of the lashes. So this is a phenomenal mascara, and it does have castor oil in it, which does encourage new growth. So I love this. On this side, I'm using the OG, probably one of the original tubing mascaras, and it is the Liquid Lash Extensions by Thrive Causemetics. If you are going to try tubing mascara, this is the place to start. I'll share a couple of other favorites in just a second, but phenomenal mascara. What you do need to know, though, is while this one does look a little bit more natural, and by the way, let's just address the elephant in the room. It is not attractive watching anyone apply mascara. I'm just going to throw that out there. It's just not pretty at all. This mascara looks far more natural, even after 2 coats. So if you say, you know what, I just don't love that thicker lash look, I get it. This one's fantastic. With a traditional tubing mascara, oftentimes you don't need to apply 2 coats to get the same look as a traditional mascara. I just applied 2 coats so that you could see the difference. This is a much fuller, thicker, voluminous look. Traditional mascara, it doesn't matter if you buy volume, lengthening, whatever, which I feel like you get both with a tubing mascara. But with a traditional mascara, you just get that natural lash look more than you would a tubing mascara. So if you like that more is more look, I think you'll like a tubing mascara. I love the way it looks, especially as I'm getting older and my lash color isn't the same, my lash volume isn't the same. I love a tubing mascara. Let me go ahead and do the bottom lashes. You do need to know, though, with a tubing mascara, because it's polymers, because it is forming a tube around every single lash, it takes a little bit longer to dry. Can you tell the difference between the two? I find that traditional mascara, much more natural looking. Like I said, tubing mascara, much more voluminous. I think the color is more magnified. It just stays darker longer, and it just gives me lashes for days. Thrive Causemetics, I love. This is one of the originals, and so good. This is a wonderful cause too. They do donate a lot of makeup to a lot of great causes and charities. So this is beautiful. I will link this one, both of them, down in the description below. Here are a few other options. I also love the Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Mascara. This one is fantastic. Another one for consideration is the e.l.f. Tubing Mascara. That was not my favorite, but it gets rave reviews, so it may be another one for you to consider. Incidentally, I always get a lot of requests for my lip color. Today, I will tell you, I'm using a lip color from Thrive Causemetics. However, I don't love it. It is a beautiful color. It lasts all day long. It is just gorgeous. And again, I love their cause, but it tastes and smells horrible. Just so you know. If this really helped you to figure out what the big deal about tubing mascara is, I would love it if you'd like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend. Also, if you have something that you've said, you know what, everybody talks about this and I have no idea what it is, why do I need it, how can I benefit from it, leave me a comment. If I can make a video about it, I will. And all the videos in this series of what in the world is that and why do I need it are in this playlist here, so you can watch that next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.